Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, which will bring out a bunch of toggles, and we are looking for the hotspot toggle. For me it is visible right over here, but if you don't see it in this list right here, you can swipe down on it and this will actually extend it. Anyway, once you see the hotspot toggle, first time around I recommend holding this toggle, as this will quickly take you to the settings. And the reason for that is because under hotspot settings here, you'll find the password, which is randomly generated. I also recommend actually getting rid of it, as it's not the greatest password in terms of just ease of use. So I'm just gonna get rid of it and set up my own password, which will be very simple. There we go. It will need to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Now that's the only thing I recommend changing here, though you could go... actually no, never mind, there's almost nothing else here to change apart from the name of the hotspot that will be created. So I'm just gonna keep everything as is right now. Now find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable it. And that's all you need to do to have your hotspot running. Once you're done with it, I do recommend trying to remember to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And you can do so by just tapping on the toggle once again. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.